Actually, they even know. You hear? I firm, let me stand up on my butt. Them right now, Mumu, know that. And if I pussy test, I swear to God, this is the time. You hear that, Mumu? Believe me. Me not say no man got you where I got you. No married man. I can't tell you this. No married man can't tell me nothing. Oh, them full of blood, that girl can. No married man and a bomb saint. You hear that? Remember that. See when me got you, no pussy can't tell me nothing. I got suck them mother, man. I want to tell you. Now, Mama just me, I play the love of my have in my heart for them. You hear? In a real life. Because me I try to show you something. Remember me dead there. You understand? An incident happen. Them spitting on my face. You see me, I'ma put them up on the internet with video and ray. And when I reach back at England, and them pitney tackle me. You hear that? And I say them not like what me do. You hear me say? I say to myself, say, if my family them did for take a stand like we Funo family take, how it would have really gesture? Eh? It would have settle. You hear me say to your mama, it would have settle. I say when me see them thing there, I take my stand. You hear that and see me stand here where me I take right now. And not tell me nothing. You know. The moment they tell me different from when me I do, man, go suck your mother and do what you want to do after that and what happen after happen, man. Straight, right there, sir. Everybody body now, be a bad, me see them, I say them body now. Right now, bad, me bad too. Know that. Well, I not me hear, cause them feel like me idiot and me stupid, you know. Me hear people talk, say, oh, me did know where me I get myself in. Them did know the fuck them that get themselves in too. I want me hear them say, you what? Them have a talk, man. I forgot how the talk go, you see. Cause mama me I tell them ready to beat them body now. Cause me now going on New Year's with no blood clot bad blessing. Be a good blessing me I going on New Year with you. Me I like tell you from yesterday, me I wait for them take back life. Me say anytime them ever go panic, go call me name me wrong. We see. Remember me I tell you. Oh. Una dish me enough blood clot dirt now. Una can lower for me bum now. I want to hear. From come here. Me hear them say, me disrespectful and one thing me know, Father God, in a real life, if me disrespect them the way all them disrespect me, Mumu, them family, it man for me, yeah. Remember me tell you that. Oh.
Do it look like you look like you're all in a lot of things.
Mama, me in a lot, Mama. When me tell you say me a all in a lot, me a all in a lot.
You can't a lot of things because you can't hear.
That me have to tell you. Mama, you say me see all my father cry what day, yeah? Me have to say, Jesus of his mercy, look how them destroy my family. My father say him can't even walk good. You hear that? And the things that people have to say. You hear? Enough people don't understand it. Enough people don't understand it because
but do it.
Them
We
feel
have to
like
remember that's why people are fake page, you know. Most people are fake page because they cannot be their self under their real page. They couldn't handle
them can't be themselves.
They can't be given the negative, the backslash, and all the crazy comments.
Everything you have to manage everything. If you want it on the internet, if you want it on it, Momo, this is the best advice I can give once. If you want it on the internet and people know you, and take the bad blood clot criticism. Me never not talk about the good. You hear? Because when people lim up your nasty bumbo clot, you better have a straight for my man. That
you want to be strong. This shit is a lot of that fuck.
You see time when we have the airport here, tell us something, Mumu. All that I can't tell you straight. You see that set up here. Because me and my people them are fight from Fiboa. And a one party night get catch. What? Handcuffing pan and me. You understand me? I say all type of thing go on. And I just one part catch and put up. Set up, Mama. Hey that. Them thing wanna see? Set up. Them sit down and prep sit before kit here. Know that.
My God, you saying that stage?
Mama,
my God, you saying that stage?
Mama, that stage. You hear? That stage. Because me have to tell you straight. Mama, me really not. Me real. You hear that? Me real.
People
Mama.
Me not know if I with me, I think.
Alright, me I gotta tell you something. No feel live right now with the airport that day there. Listen, you know. I stage them stage because them know the type of person them are deal with. Enough time them do me. Mama, I tell you something. Enough time them do me things. Enough time them do me things. Listen me, man. Enough time them do me things. You see me? And when me tell you do me things, them know me just a go run. You hear that? So the moment me run, them want to know who me run to. And the moment them know who me run to, them just disgrace them bumbo clot. You hear that? In a real life. You know? So that is a stage. Cause them say them thing they keep them thing active. Mama, right now I'm ready, you know, to tell you, you know.
So you're saying that a lot of these men see
No
you.
talk in a code.
My
Me
friend,
not fi talk in a code. Me not fi talk in a code. Listen and listen good. The airport thing alone make me know. You hear me tell you say them calculative and them calculative, but it's not no joke, fam. It's a more than an hour. The incident happen a fucking airport. So that same person there with a blood clot video. Why I just the part when she lick after me a bumbo clot video? Me an idiot. Me is not a fool. You see the moment before she lick me, before the licking go on, she miss it from action. You hear that? See she run come back in action. I don't know where she miss it from and go at that minute. You hear that? That me have to tell you. Mama, me not telling a lie. You think me an idiot? Me an idiot, you know? Mama, sit down, me sit down. Mama, sit down, me sit down in night and just watch every ball game and go on like me a bumbo clot fool. You hear? Let me tell you that. Oh, that me have to tell you. Oh, Mama, handcuff, link pan on. Saying that your wife tell us, she been tell us that she left me from December. So if you left me from December, why you still have me round and all of them bumbo clot? I want to be letting them and I want be me been a read up everything. You hear that? Me been a reading every moment bumbo clit. That me have to tell you. If you do you think me just sit down so me just a take ill treatment. I want to mama. Bill the man. You hear them the internet attack or me thump them in a them proof. Me have blood clot proof to you bust up my blood clotted for my bumbo clot birthday. Me not come here clot talk.
Were you really stabbed others?
Mama after not lie. In my shoulder, this is